Welcome to Fusion My Business. Today, we will learn how to take a dine-in order in the Fusion point of sale system. We are now in the Dine-in section, where blue represents available tables, orange represents occupied tables, and green represents seated tables. To add a new table, simply click the Add icon and a pop-up will appear. Enter the table name as Test 2 and the number of seats as 5. Now, to book Test 2 table, click on it. If you do not enter the number of seats directly to continue, a warning message will appear. Additionally, if you enter 6 seats, an error will be displayed since the table only has 5 seats, entering 2 seats to continue. Now, to order the first course, select Starter and add items. Next, go back to the menu category and select Meal Deal. Order the meal deal for 1 and add any available add-ons. The selected items will appear in the order list. Click Option to add requested items. Click Manual to add item name and price. Use Note for special requests. Scroll to review your order, then click Send to Table to send all items to the kitchen KOT printer. Now you can view the order bill. For the second course, click Add New Item. Select Premium Shakes, add drinks and click Send to Table to send all items to the kitchen KOT printer. Now, you can view the order bill. The first batch is complete. Use New Order to place another order. Book 2 seats. Go to the menu and order a classic American burger with add-ons for batch 2. Return to the menu section. Select Premium Sides and order potato wedges. Click Send to Table to send all items to the kitchen printer. Now, you can see Batch 1 and Batch 2 to apply a discount. Apply a 5% discount to Batch 1 and a 2% service charge to Batch 2. Click Take Payment for Batch 1. Select Cash in the payment pop-up, and the transaction will process in seconds. For Batch 2, click Take Payment to view options like NFC Tap to Pay, QR Code Scan to Pay using Apple Pay or Google Pay. Payment Link. Generate a link by entering the customer's mobile number. And various card payment methods. Enter card details for processing. Select Cash to securely complete the transaction. Now Table Test 2 is available. To swap Table Test 1 with Test 2, click Swap, select Test 2 and transfer all orders. If an item needs to be removed from the order list, simply select the item, provide a reason for removal, and save it. To finalize the order, click Take Payment and select Cash. The transaction will be successful within seconds. To cancel an order for Table Test 2, click the bill's top right corner and confirm with. Click History to view past orders and their status. Select an order to see details, including canceled and paid orders. Use the Print option to print the bill and the Hide option to hide orders. Fusion My Business POS makes ordering simple and efficient.